My friend and I went out to see an unknown waterfall near our village because it was Sunday. This waterfall is located in the Talapathara forest, about 13 kilometers from Athmallik town. The road to reach this place is very rough, and there is a risk of wild animals. So please go with friends and don't go alone, and also in a group. We used to ride a bike to see the waterfall hidden in the Athmallik Panchadhara hills. It took us about 1 hour to reach there, and from there, we had to walk about 2 kilometers into the dense forest to reach the waterfall again. And what we finally saw was something I could not even describe in Queen. The beauty of the world was described in the video. The more we were scared there, the more we were happy that we would soon reach the place and see it. After sitting there for some time and enjoying the nature, we were ready to return home. On the way back, we saw the footprints of elephants and boars. Finally, after some distance, we crossed a small jungle river. This was our Sunday trip. Don't forget to share this video with you how it went.